Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
With the aim of maintaining surveillance and strict vigil on Goa's highway, the Highway Patrolling Unit was established as an independent wing of the Goa Police, equipped initially with 7 patrolling vehicles. However, while incidents of criminals filling the state through the land borders, often using their own vehicles or stolen ones, are steadily increasing, the number of operational highway patrol vehicles has been reduced from 7 to just 3. This shrinking fleet raises concerns about the effectiveness and readiness of highway surveillance in the state. Presently, one highway patrolling vehicle is assigned to the Patradevi border area, another to the Molem border stretch, and third one to the Polem border area. However, the real problem lies in the fact that these vehicles are not being used exclusively for highway patrolling. Instead, they are frequently diverted for routine duties by nearby police stations, defeating the very purpose of which the highway patrolling unit was created. However, the Pink Force, which is dedicated to responding to women-related calls and complaints, currently operates with 11 vehicles. The Highway Patrolling Unit has been reduced to just 3. This contrast highlights a significant imbalance in resource allocation, especially at a time when highway-related crimes and border escapes are on the rise. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.